This AI just pulled unlimited free leads from LinkedIn and Instagram and even emailed them a pitch automatically. Here's how. What I built is an intelligent AI assistant. It searches Google for LinkedIn and Instagram profiles, collects the leads, writes the outreach, and even sends the emails automatically. And the best part, you don't need to know any coding or complicated prompts. You just talk to it in plain language and it knows exactly what to do. I've made this so easy that absolutely anyone can set this up in under 10 minutes, and we're gonna do all of this with completely free tools. So let's dive in. So the first step is to get Claude, which is a chat app similar to ChatGPT if you haven't used it. And we're actually going to be installing the desktop version that's going to run on your computer. So you can grab it for Mac or Windows, just install it. It takes a few seconds and then create a free account. It's just going to ask you for your email address, or you can just sign in with Google. It takes a few seconds. So once you've installed it, it'll look like this. And the reason we're using Claude is because we're using their MCP feature, which is brand new. And basically what this MCP thing does is it allows Claude to control other apps automatically. So it's like giving Claude a toolbox of all these other tools that it can use intelligently, but you don't have to do any of it. It's going to use the tools. So you're not copying and pasting between tabs or running all of these different apps. Claude just has access to it and it's going to do all the work automatically. So once we've set up Claude, the next tool we need is actually called AutoKit. And this is actually, you can think of the bridge between Claude and all those other tools that we're going to be using, like Gmail and Google Sheets and so on. So we just need that server bridge in between them, and that's what we're going to use AutoKit for. So just click the link below and you can create a free AutoKit account. And as you can see at the time of this recording, the MCP feature that we need is completely free and unlimited. So just hit start free and you can sign up with Google or Facebook or enter your email. It takes a few seconds. So once you've signed up for AutoKit, just go to MCP here from the left-hand side, and then we're going to create that bridge I'm talking about, which is the MCP server, and we're going to attach all the apps we're going to need for this. And again, everything you're going to be using here is completely free. So just go to create MCP server, and you can name it something like Claude Lead Generation or whatever you want, and just hit create server. Then what we're going to do is actually add all the tools we're going to be using. So the first thing we're going to need is Gmail, because we're going to be sending our emails through Gmail or Google for Business. So choose Gmail, and then you just need to sign in. So you can just go create new connection and just sign in to your email account with your password, and it will automatically show up right there. So then you just choose the email you just signed in with. Next, just go select all, because we want to give Claude all of these permissions in order to be able to do things. So basically what we're doing here is we're allowing Claude to be able to do all of these things for us, like create email drafts, send emails, reply to emails, anything it wants. Just like an assistant, you're giving it the ability to do all this stuff. And now let's add the second tool. Go to add MCP tool and look for Google Sheets. Because we want all the leads that Claude finds for us, we want to add them in a spreadsheet. Now, technically this is optional, but it's a nice thing to do. So again, all you're going to do is choose that account you signed in with already and just give it all the permissions, hit add tool. I told you this was easy. Next, we need Claude to be able to actually go off and find the leads for us. So we're going to be using another tool called Apify. So click the link below and you'll be taken to the Apify page, and you're going to get $5 of free credit every month, which is good for thousands of free leads every month. So this is perfect. And so just sign up once again with email or Google if you want. It'll take a few seconds. So once we've signed into Apify, the only thing we need to do is go to settings, API and integrations, go to create new token, Claude Lead Gen, go create, and then just copy the token. That is all we need to do. You don't need to do anything else within Apify. Then head back over to AutoKit, go add MCP tool, go to Apify, select connection, create new connection, and just paste your token and go to connect Apify. Next, just go select all, add tool. And now we've added all the tools we're going to need to give Claude. Next, we just need to hook up AutoKit with Claude. Just go to the server you created, go to configure. Next, it's going to give you step-by-step instructions, but I'm going to walk you through it. The first thing you need to do is download and install this thing called Node.js, and it's just something that'll allow Claude to connect to everything. It's just a framework that's basically needed. Don't even worry about it. All you need to do is go over here and install it on your computer, on Mac, or if you're on Windows. and just install it. It takes a few seconds. So I'll link that down below. So the first thing, you just need to do that. It's a prerequisite and installs in a few seconds. So after you've installed Node.js, then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go here and copy this. And then you're gonna head over to Claude, go here, go to settings, and then go to developer, and then you're going to actually edit this config file. Don't worry, this is not complicated at all. All you're gonna do is delete whatever is in here and then paste in that thing and hit save. That's all you have to do. So you can just edit that with whatever text editor you use on Mac or Windows. And we can check if you successfully installed it by going to this little button right here, and you'll see AutoKit and you'll see all of the permissions it now has. Perfect. So that's how you know you did it correctly. And that's it. That was all the setup. So now we're ready to generate leads. So now we're ready to generate our leads, and all we have to do is talk to it in plain English. So let's say we want, find me 5 lawyers on LinkedIn in Toronto that have their email addresses listed on their profiles. Now, before you send it, you just have to paste in my special prompt instructions, which will tell Claude how to do this. Don't worry if you don't understand any of it. All you need to do is talk to it in plain language with your request like this. You could have said 100 lawyers if you wanted to, for example, or you could have said criminal lawyers, and obviously you could have picked another city, but whatever plain language request you want to make, and then you're gonna paste in my prompt instructions here, which are for Claude, not for you, so don't even worry about it. So then just hit this arrow right here. And so it's starting to find this information for you, and it's going to do its thing. You can go off and get a coffee, come back in a couple of minutes, and it will be done. And boom, right there. Great. It just found these lawyers. You can see their position, you can see their email, their LinkedIn, you can see everything. And now, firstly, let's say we're like, you know what, Hector sounds really interesting. I checked out his profile here. He looks really interesting. Cool. Give me a summary of Hector's background. Just like if you were talking to a real assistant. Look at this, very cool. We know he does property litigation, everything, right? So not only is this generating leads, it's like your intelligent assistant that's going to allow you to do very personalized outreach. In fact, now that you have all this information on Hector, let's say you wanted to reach out to him with a pitch and you're running this, let's say, web design agency, right? Hector and email pitching my web design services and save it as a draft. Make sure you format the email correctly and then just hit go. And so it's thinking about what you asked. And of course, I just said my web design services, but of course you want to tell Claude about your own services. You want to maybe set up a Claude project and give it some information, give it your website, whatever it is. I'm just doing you a quick example here. So obviously you want to give it more specific information about your actual business, but just to show you the functionality here. And boom, it said, it did it, gave you a summary of what it said and everything. But of course you can just head over to your drafts folder and you can see it right there. And again, oh, look, it's not really formatted well. It's a wall of text. Can you format it correctly, please, for Gmail? Right? Because let's say your assistant did that for you. You'd be like, hey, look, great email, but look, it's not actually formatted correctly. Okay, so it's saying it did it correctly this time. Let's go back over there and boom, it's done. Now, of course, I just showed you one email, but instead of saying email this one person, you would have literally said email all 50 or 100 of these people, and it would have just done that. Now, of course, I saved it as a draft so I could show you this whole functionality, but of course, you could also just send it. For example, let's say you wanted to send all of these leads to yourself. You could do this. Send a copy of all of these leads to Kevin@solopreneurspot.com. And so it says that it sent it. And if we head over to our sent folder, boom, we can see it right there. And we can see that it did the leads. And of course, we could tell it to format the leads correctly. Now, real quick, let me show you how to get leads from Instagram. And the process is exactly the same. You just need to change what you asked for. So this time, let's say we want, find me 5 dentists in Miami that have their email addresses on their profile on Instagram. So I'm not writing this in any fancy way. I'm just writing it in plain English again. And then again, we want to paste in my special instructions and just hit the arrow right here. And so it's saying that it's going to do it. And again, you could have chose any other city, any other profession, any more information you wanted, and you could have made it 100 leads if you wanted to, for example. Boom, just like that. And you see all of the email addresses right there. And again, you could ask it to send a personalized email to all of these with your pitch, and it would just do it. Now, let's say you did generate like 100 leads and you wanted to save these for later. Well, you could actually have Claude add all of them to a spreadsheet. And all you would need to say is, you guessed it, add all of these leads into a Google Sheet, because we gave it access to Google Sheets. And so we can see it's going to try and create that spreadsheet right now, and it's going to try and do it right away. And perfect. Claude says it's done, and it's told you what it did. It created the spreadsheet. You didn't have to tell it, hey, make sure you create an appropriate column or this or that. It knows all of that because it's an intelligent assistant. You just said, add these leads to a spreadsheet, just like you were talking to a human assistant, and it gives you the link right here. Let's check it out. Obviously, it gave it a proper title. You can see all of this right here, and it's summarized all for you. So that's how easy it is to generate an unlimited number of free leads and email them your pitch. This is unlike any other lead generation system because you actually have an intelligent AI assistant that can answer any questions you have about the leads and give you real insights into their businesses. It writes personalized, context-aware pitches rather than generic templated emails, which will dramatically increase your response rate. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. In fact, now that you've generated the leads, if you want to learn how to easily sell AI automations to them that'll make you anywhere from $300 to $500 per client per month in passive income, check out this video right here. I'll see you in there.